Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you a very quick video about how to replace a Samsung Galaxy S10 back glass. It is super easy. Just gonna heat it a little bit. Try not to heat the camera lenses, just on the sides. This is a very easy replacement since they moved the fingerprint sensor to the front, so we're not gonna worry about that anymore. I think that's enough. It is easy now to just spray it. Be careful with the crack side. The side that was cracked, just be careful. I prefer you wear safety glasses to do that. Uh-oh. If it is cracked, it will be harder, just like this one. It just start. Okay. It's easy, guys. You guys take your time. Be careful with the wireless charger. Yeah, it looks like this was repaired before. That's why we got this mess. They probably put some more tape on the wireless charger. That's why it was sticking with the cover. So you guys make sure you pay attention to that. Sometimes you're not the first one you open the phone. So I'm sure this guy didn't do a good job. That's why we're not gonna use this tape when we're gonna put the brand new one. It looks like it's already has adhesive, and this is not enough. So we're gonna add a little liquid to that. But this repairer, it looks like he add too much tape. So he should put more tape just on the top of the original adhesive. But what he did, he put too much. So this is all this. It's not from Samsung for sure. And then he put more here. So that's why he put some on the wireless charger. So I almost damaged the wireless charger. So you guys pay attention to that. So I didn't know this was replaced before. I don't think he changed the back cover, but he probably repaired the phone and tried to save money by putting this back. So instead of heating this adhesive, refreshing it and sticking it back, he put too much adhesive. We will talk about that once we put the new one. So I already bought one with the camera lens, protective glass. So we're not gonna need to move that to our new one, just to save time. Make sure to clean. Cleaning is very important because it's gonna save you work. Okay, so we're gonna ignore. He put a lot of sticky tape on the wireless charger. The reason why they put tape, it's faster to dry. That's why they just rather put tape. I put this liquid, it will take longer, but it will be more effective, especially with water. That's beside the original original tape that comes with it. So now we're done with this. Okay, now we try to push so this one gonna stick. Place, then still. Okay, now it did come off easily. Try to remove this slowly because the tape comes right off. Okay, looks okay to me. Clean dust, and then we do a little more here. That's it. Just make sure you line it up. That's basically it. Okay. Okay, now try not to tie this too hard, just as much as you can see it firm. That's it. I could add another one in the side, just a little bit. I don't need it anyways. Just want to make sure that this is gonna over there. Okay, looks like we're gonna clean this with alcohol later, that residue. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and see you the next video.